Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Deepika's recipes. Today we'll learn how to make Alasande bhaji or long bean bhaji. This is a Goan recipe specially made in temples. Heat oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds and let them pop up. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Now add hing and green chillies. Saute for a minute. Now add chopped Alasande or long beans. Saute for a minute. Add salt to taste and mix well. Now add half cup of water. Cover the lid and cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add half cup of freshly grated coconut. Mix well. Cover the lid and cook for 2 minutes more. Alasande bhaji is ready to be served. Enjoy this recipe as a side dish with dal and rice. I hope you liked today's recipe. Try this recipe at home and let me know your comments. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Deepika's recipes. Let's meet again with a new recipe. Bye.